Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something really exciting for you all e-bike enthusiasts, and this is Accolmile Mini hub motor kit. If you're looking to convert your regular bike into an e-bike, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. I'll be unboxing it and checking out all the components. Let's get started. Alright, let's open up the box and see what we've got here. First impression, everything is nicely packed and well protected. Phone holder, charger, tools, battery holder with controller and battery. First I'm removing rear wheel, then removing a cassette, a tire and a tube, and replacing everything on the motor. It takes half an hour. So the first thing we see here is the hub motor wheel itself. This is a 28-inch wheel with the motor already built in. It looks really solid and well built. The motor is rated at 250 watt, so it should provide power according to European Union regulations. I am adjusting ready motor on the bike. I am installing a battery instead of the bottle motor. I am connecting just one cable from battery to the motor. Use cable tie to adjust it to the frame. And next, we've got a bottle battery with a controller inside. And the last one, phone holder. And it's ready! That's everything for today, guys, and I'm really impressed with these features on this kit and the fact that it comes with everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching us and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!